In this lesson, we will build a complete picture of atomic structure. We will cover the discovery of the electron, proton, and neutron, atomic number, isotopes and isobars, classical models of the atom and their limits, and finally the quantum model with orbitals and electron filling rules. Let's begin with a quick discovery timeline. The electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson, the proton by Rutherford, and the neutron by Chadwick. Atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus. Isotopes are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons. Isobars are atoms of different elements with the same mass number. Thomson's model imagined the atom as a positive sphere with electrons embedded inside. This explained charge neutrality, but did not explain scattering results. Rutherford's gold foil experiment showed a tiny, dense, positive nucleus. Electrons orbit around it, but classical physics predicts they would spiral in, so the model was unstable. Bohr fixed this by proposing quantized orbits. Electrons can only exist in specific shells, reducing energy loss. However, it only worked well for hydrogen-like atoms. In the quantum model, shells are labeled by the principal quantum number. Each shell contains subshells called S, P, D, and F. Matter and light show both wave and particle behavior. De Broglie linked wavelength to momentum. Wavelength equals h over p. And Heisenberg's uncertainty says we cannot precisely know both position and momentum at the same time. Because of wave behavior, electrons occupy orbitals instead of fixed paths. Each orbital is defined by 4 quantum numbers, n, l, m, and spin. Let's visualize orbital shapes. The s orbital is spherical. The p orbital has 2 lobes, like a dumbbell. The d orbital looks like a clover with 4 lobes. Now, let's talk about how electrons fill orbitals. Aufbau, electrons fill lower energy levels first. Pauli exclusion, no 2 electrons share all 4 quantum numbers. Hund's rule, electrons spread out with parallel spins before pairing. Let's see an example of electronic configuration. For oxygen, which has 8 electrons, we fill as 1s2, 2s2, and 2p4. Finally, half-filled and completely filled subshells are extra stable. That is why configurations like P3 or P6 are especially stable. Great job! We have connected historical models to the modern quantum model and learned how electrons are organized in atoms.